We had a nice discussion with the Government of India and Health Minister and the other government officials, and we all concluded that we need to give boosters and make it affordable and accessible to as many people as possible. And, for protection and for travel purposes. And so we said, let's reduce the price. After all, we want everyone in our nation to get the boosters, and this is certainly going to make it more accessible to every person who wants to take it at 200 rupees, and 225 rupees is what we are charging, and the hospitals charge an administration fee of another 150 rupees. So, that's substantially less than 800-900 rupees, which was the original thing. If people have a family of 3 or 4, then it can become expensive. So that's why we reduced the price. We have a stockpile of 200 million doses. We stopped manufacturing in December, but we can restart at any time if the nation needs more doses. But already in our cold rooms, we have 200 million doses. So I think a few million doses a month will be used up with boosters, and we'll try to export some doses as well. We have already exported around 40 million doses, 40, to European countries, to Australia, this is actually the first time a vaccine made in India is being sold in Europe. So it's indeed a very important milestone. Covovax eventually will be used for children. It is already approved by the Drug Controller of India, and we're waiting for the government of India to allow us to put it on the CoWIN app and make it available to everybody.
So when do you expect the Covovax as a booster dose for mix and match trials?
Well, we have been asked to do a study on that. So we will do that trial, and Covovax in about 2 or 3 months can also be made available as a booster. But at the moment it is approved for children of the age of 12 and above, and even adults can take it as dose 1 and 2, but not as a booster because that they want a trial. But it's the safest and one of the best vaccines in the world, being used in Europe with an efficacy of more than 90%. So anyone can take it as soon as it's put on the CoWIN app, because naturally you would need a certificate with your vaccination.
Sir, how much cost is expected for Covovax?
I think it'll be around the same price now. We wanted to price it higher, but we felt that now with the COVID crisis not there as an emergency, we thought we can charge a higher price because we don't want to take advantage of the pandemic or the situation. Now that there is no crisis, we can charge a higher price in the market, but perhaps if it is taken in the government program also, then we will charge the same price of 225 rupees even for the private market.